Hi, I'm Aradia of Las Vegas. For this combination, we're going to start with our weight on the left foot, right foot touching, left arm extended up, right arm pulled back slightly by the elbow, sit. Remember to keep your stomach pulled in tight for good posture and a straight back. You're going to do a drop, release, and then you're going to sit and lift to the front. So you're going to pull forward with this front part of your hip, straight forward. Push, push forward. The hand will come up, up, like it's on a string as an accent. Up, up. So you have drop, release, sit, lift, lift. We're now going to cross over with the right foot, traveling to the left. We will be doing a hip circle on the right hip, going clockwise. Push out, and touch. You can also do an arabesque at this point if you'd like. Okay, so we're going to travel to the left with the right foot crossing over, doing a clockwise circle on the right hip. You're going to push out, arabesque. If you're not strong with your arabesques, you can always just touch your foot for balance. Cross over, repeat. Out, with the hip going counterclockwise on the left hip. Now, instead of doing an arabesque or a touch, this time we're going to lift the foot, do an upper body wave. So you're going to lift with the chest and start triplets going backwards. On the right foot, back, 2, 3, back, 2, 3. Step back on the right, hand comes to the head. You're going to tuck right here at the hinge of the leg, tuck, walk forward, and touch. And now we're prepared to do it on the left side. So let's go through that again, starting on the right foot, with the right hip, weights on the left foot, and drop, release, sit, lift, circle, arabesque, circle, and back, 2, 3, step back, forward, touch. Now, when you're doing your back 2, 3, I usually do a hip swish just side to side. You can lock it if the music calls for it, or it can be soft and just sliding from side to side. Okay? So I use the slides, and I always do a little hair flip and a little hair flip as I change directions. So now that we've come to the other side, we're going to repeat the same combination. Weights on the right foot, left foot's on the ball. Drop, release, sit, lift, and remember you're lifting to the front, not out to the side. So you're going to push forward. Now this time we're going to do a little Saidi step, a shoulder shimmy with a hop, and a little head gesture where we bounce the heel of our hand off our head. So you're going to cross over with the left foot, shoulder shimmy, step right, hop on the left, and then bounce your head over to the side, hit the side of it, and repeat. Shoulder, shimmy, hop, tuck. So this is supposed to be very sassy and very cute. So from here, drop, release, sit, lift, shoulder, shimmy, hop, tuck. Shoulder, shimmy, hop, tuck. Now we do triplets back, starting on the left foot. Back, 2, 3, step back on the left, same as before, where you push back, hand comes to the head, walk forward, right, left, pose, and you're ready to repeat the entire combination again. So this works on both sides, and you can do variations with your, where I have the cross circles, or the shoulder shimmies. If your music is something a little softer, a little more oriental, you can always do undulations. And make it a little softer, okay? It doesn't have to be so earthy, but I like to use this in my Saidi numbers, so it's a little more earthy when I do it. So from the top, weights on the left foot, and drop, release, sit, lift, circle, arabesque, circle, and back, 2, 3, step back, front, touch, drop, release, sit, lift, sit, lift. Shoulder shimmy, hop, hit, shoulder shimmy, hop, hit, and back 2, 3, and back 2, 3. Step back, front, front. And here you are at the start again.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.